Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Tired of the hurry up and wait on construction projects? Not when Wieser Concrete's on the job. Wieser Concrete Products is the Upper Midwest's precast concrete specialist. Headquartered in Maiden Rock, Wisconsin, Wieser Concrete manufactures precast concrete products for agricultural, underground, highway, and commercial markets. The second and third generation family-run company started out making concrete septic tanks. More than 50 years later, their extensive selection of products includes walls, panels, shelters, and small buildings. They're the experts at casting concrete structures used for managing waste and stormwater and utilities. And their agriculture products make farm work a little easier. Why choose precast concrete? The advantages are easy to see. Certified master precasters make everything in a controlled environment. The result is quality control that's superior to that of concrete poured on site. Wieser guarantees its structures because they're backed by decades of proven performance. Precasting structures eliminates cure time, so installation is fast. Because excavation sites can be backfilled immediately after installation, the worksite is made that much safer. In addition to making precast concrete, Wieser will manage an entire installation project, including scheduling, obtaining permits, and delivering items with their own fleet. Wieser Concrete is a long-standing member of the National Precast Concrete Association, a testament to their quest for quality. With 7 locations throughout Wisconsin, Minnesota, and Illinois, Wieser Concrete is ready to get started on your next project. Get the details by visiting their website at wieserconcrete.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.